Alright, so this is a 47cc scooter. Big rattle. So this is the engine from one of my other scooters that I had in my previous videos. This has a different carburetor, it's just a standard carburetor versus the other one. .47cc, it works pretty good. Pretty stable. Yep, so there it is.